phones, and you said that the phone didn't work. Have you got any plans to adapt the system so that it will be iPhone friendly?
Not so far, but it's a good idea. I think it's a question of the size of the image that is being projected. But in reality, you're supposed to use it with a slit lamp. So what we need to do is to validate it against patients using the sun and this particular grading scale. And I think if you project it on the screen, it would be very easy to use. So whether it would be iPhone or just a screen would probably be a good approach.
Other questions? So I have one more question. Is the system any better depending on the grade of the cell? So is it more likely to correlate at the lower grade or the higher grade, or there's no difference?
I don't think there's much of a difference once you understand how it works. You're not supposed to count, you're supposed to look at cell density and then approximate it to either the lower or the higher value. I in fact think we could probably even go to intermediate values, since if you have some cells it could be 1.5, and this should allow us to do it, but we have to validate that. But I think when we look at cells, we always look at density, then we try to count them. And here we want to avoid that second section, just use the first. And I don't think we should go much higher than the 30 cells in a given volume.
Great, thanks so very much. Now, I'd like to ask the next speaker, Dr. Rupesh Agarwal, to take the